Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up N8N on a Mac so you can start building automated workflows directly on your computer. To begin, you will need Homebrew, a package manager that simplifies installing essentials tools like Node.js. Once Node.js and npm are installed, you can move on to installing N8N itself. Use npm to install N8N globally. After installation, just launch it from your terminal. This will start a local server usually accessible at localhost 5678 in your browser. You will be taken to the N8N dashboard where you can begin creating workflows. If you want N8N to keep running in the background, consider using a utility that supports background processes. Otherwise, it will stop when the terminal window is closed. To stay organized, it's a good idea to save your workflows in a separate folder. Setting up N8N on macOS is perfect for testing and building automations locally without needing a remote server. It is a simple setup that gives you full access to N8N's feature. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.